Hello viewers. Today, we are covering the 5 best motorcycle boots for women on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is Harley-Davidson Women's Talley Ridge Motorcycle Boot. This motorcycle boot is from a top motorcycle manufacturing company in the world. This brand makes luxurious and durable motorbikes, and you will enjoy riding with this boot. The boots are made of 100% leather, which is a durable and strong material. This unit comes with a dual zipper that makes it easy to put on and take off. For additional security, this boot comes with laces and a buckle strap. In addition to enjoying a smooth and comfortable ride with these boots, you can also use them for walking and looking good. The boots are super comfortable and you can wear them all day without feeling any foot fatigue or pain. It has a mesh lining on the inside, and this makes it highly breathable. It also has a block heel, which provides great grip and balance on different surfaces. The toe box of this boot is comfortable and great for shifting gears. It also comes with a pocket-friendly price. These boots also feature a lightweight design. Number 2. Our second best pick is Room of Fashion Women's Military Combat Boots. These boots are highly durable and comfortable. They come with many impressive features that will definitely help you enjoy a comfortable and safe ride. They are cool and breathable, and gorgeous to boot. This boot comes with a hidden pocket that you can use to store things like phones, cash, cards, and keys. The boots are also available in a variety of colors and styles, allowing you to pick an option that best suits your style. It has a sturdy design and it will serve you for a very long time. The boots are made of 100% synthetic, and they are highly durable. The soles are also made of synthetic and they provide superior traction when walking on all surface types. These boots are flexible, which is what every female rider needs in a bike. It features a full-size zipper closure with adjustable lace-up. The boot is also slip-resistant, and you can use them in any weather condition. They are very safe to use and they provide a high level of comfort, regardless of how long you wear them. It has a round toe and stacked heel for providing you with additional comfort. Number 3. Our third best pick is Clark's Women's Volara Melody Motorcycle Boot. The Clark's Women's Volara Melody Motorcycle Boot is another great option to consider if you are looking for the best motorcycle boots for women. These boots are designed to provide female riders with an amazing riding experience. The boots are highly reliable and they are built to last. They come with triple buckles and a side zipper to provide you with a snug and comfortable fit. The toes of this boot are round and it gives the boot a classic look. They are made of 100% leather but available in just one color, brown. The boots are also available in only 2 sizes, which is pretty poor. The inside of the boot is well cushioned with foam for optimal comfort while in them. The soft inner lining also provides a high level of comfort. It also comes with a high-quality outsole that provides great stability and grip. The boots are highly breathable, as they allow for adequate flow of air. The height of the heel is 1.5 inches, which is great. It is also a lightweight option, as it weighs only 1 pound. It has a steel shank, PU sock liner, and TR outsole. You can walk with it on different types of surfaces, as it provides great traction and stability. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Harley-Davidson Footwear Women's Amherst Motorcycle Boot. If you are looking for a highly functional and durable women's motorcycle boot, you should consider this one from Harley-Davidson Footwear. These boots are made of 100% leather and they are highly durable. They feature sturdy and durable construction. The boot is affordable and it comes with many amazing features. These boots are available in different sizes and they are true to size. It comes with a durable leather upper with a shaft of 7 inches on the top. Another amazing thing about this boot is that it is lightweight. You can wear it all day without feeling any additional weight or discomfort. You can get this boot in sizes ranging from 5 through 11. They also come with outer and inner zippers, which makes it easy for you to take off and put on the boots. The boots are flexible and they make riding very easy. You can also wear it in all weather conditions, as it provides great grip and stability. It is available in 2 different colors, black and brown. The mesh lining provides maximum comfort, even when riding for a very long distance. The cement construction ensures the boots serve you for a very long time. It has an opening that measures 11 inches in diameter, with a zipper that allows you to open it wider. Number 5. Last but not the least, our 5th best pick is Harley-Davidson Footwear Women's Tegan Ankle Boot. This is the 3rd Harley-Davidson boot on our list, and that is because this company knows the ins and outs of making high-quality boots for female riders. These boots feature a perfect blend of passion and fashion. They look amazing, allowing you to ride in style. They are well cushioned to provide you with maximum, all-day comfort. The boots come with a rubber outsole and heel, and they are super lightweight. You can use them to shift gears and ride for hours without any form of discomfort. It features a cement construction that translates to durability. The boots are durable enough to withstand everyday use and abuse. The upper of this boot is made of full-grain leather, which is a lightweight and durable material. It also has a detailed and harnessed design to provide you with a secure and comfortable fit. With this boot, you can ride in style and comfort. The boots are made of 100% leather while the outsole is made of rubber. You can find this boot in a variety of sizes ranging from 5 through 11. The boots are also great for those with wide feet. It also has side zippers and lace-up closure to provide you with the perfect fit. The opening of the boot measures 9 inches in diameter. The sole provides a great grip and stability, even when walking on slippery and wet surfaces. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.